Hello guys, did you know that WhatsApp lets you transcribe voice messages to a text once? This feature is perfect if you, for example, cannot currently listen to a voice message, for example, at the public, or if you just like more reading than actually, listening. So let me show you how to enable this feature. Open WhatsApp on your device and go to the settings by clicking on this gear icon at the bottom right. Now here, scroll down a bit and give a tap to the chats section. Now when here, just click on the voice message transcript and here set it for manually, just like that, by clicking on it. Now go to the transcript settings and here, as you can see, you can set any language of your need. So let's actually see how transcribing works. So to do that, exit the settings and go to the Chats tab. Now in the Chats tab, find and locate the chat where the voice message is located and now open it. When in chat, find the message you want to transcribe and right below it you will see the transcribe button. Now click on it and in seconds it will be transcribed to the selected language. You can also just click and hold the voice message and tap on the transcript language so you know from which language it was transcribed. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.